Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to learn the difference between few, a few, and the few. It is as like little, a little, the little. First of all, we will see the difference between few and little. Few is used for plural countable noun and little is used for uncountable noun. It means few is used for numbers and little is used for quantity. यहाँ पर बात यानी कि नंबर्स की आ जाए वहाँ पे हम फ्यू का यूज़ करते हैं और यहाँ पे क्वांटिटी आ जाए मकदार आ जाए वहाँ पे हम लिटिल यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, फ्यू बॉयज, फ्यू कॉलेजेस, फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स. All these are countable, so here we use few. Little water, little work, little milk. All these are uncountable and it shows quantity, so here it comes little. Few, hardly any. It used for negative. I read few books. मैंने कुछ किताबें पढ़ी यानी कि कम पढ़ी हैं. I a few, some, कुछ. It used for positive. I read a few books. The few, not many but all there are. इनके सारी नहीं लेकिन जो वहाँ पे मौजूद है उनमें से कुछ. I read the few books that I bought. मैंने जो किताबें खरीदी थी उनमें से कुछ पढ़ी हैं. Examples. This TV channel is not good. It shows few good programs, almost none. Not good mean almost none. So here it comes few. I went to the city center with a few friends. A few, at least some. Next है the few trees left on the hillside. The few, though very few. Now we see some more example to clarify the topic. I have blank friends, so I am not lonely. I am not lonely. It shows enough. Few, not enough. A few, enough. The few, not enough, but okay. I am not lonely. It shows enough. So here it comes. I have a few friends, so I am not lonely. The next one is she has blank friends, so she quite lonely. She quite lonely. It shows few, not enough. Because she is quite lonely, it means she is not happy. So here it comes. She has few friends. And the third one is blank public gardens that we have are not maintained properly. Few, not enough. A few, enough. The few, not many, but all of those. So here it comes the few. It means not many, but all of those gardens that we have are not maintained properly. So here it comes the few. The few public gardens that we have are not maintained properly. Hope you get it, guys. Thanks for watching.